Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Forex Jupiter Indicator for MT4. All right, so if you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. After downloading the indicator, head over to your indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. Okay, after doing that, you head over to your navigator and just refresh. Now, after refreshing, you should find the Forex Jupiter Indicator. So you just have to drag and drop to your chart. Ensure that the Allow DLL Imports box is checked. And then as for the input settings, you can see all the customizable settings here. You can modify them according to your taste. Okay. So the Forex Jupiter Indicator, as we can see from the image, it displays the prevailing momentum. It helps you to understand the prevailing momentum in the market, and then it also has a dashboard where it shows some important information like your account type, your account leverage, your balance, free margin, the last signal, entry price, take profit level, stop loss level, the spread, and the time for the next candle to set in, right? So in addition to these important information, you will notice that when the trend is bullish, the indicator is going to be blue in color, of course, giving you a sign that it's time to buy and it's time to remain, and it's a good time to remain in your buy trade. Okay. And then on the other hand, when the trend is bearish, you notice the color to be in orange. All right. So guys, when you are using this indicator, if you get access to the indicator, you should also pay attention to your confirmations. It's very important to get confirmations, not just rely on one indicator as a standalone. All right, get confluences. It's important to get your confluences and then execute your trades after you have gotten confirmations. All right, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.